The hand tool. Now the hand tool is very handy, no pun intended, to move around the screen in close-up mode. So you just click and drag while you've got the hand tool selected. If you've zoomed in, then you can work on an area with another tool. Let's go to the brush tool, for example, and let's say we were spraying some black brush onto this beastie for some reason. Then you wanted to go and work on the foot. Just press down the spacebar and the hand tool is automatically invoked, and then you click and drag, let go of the spacebar, and it pops back to the tool that you had selected previously. So you can get the hand tool by pressing space when you're using any of the other tools at all. An alternative to the hand tool is to use the navigator, which you get from Windows Navigator. There you go. And that allows you to, you can see the little red area indicating where we actually zoomed in on. You can actually move around and drag, and you get another hand tool appear, and you can go and find different bits of the hyena that way. But I tend not to bother with the navigator because it clutters up the screen. I just keep the spacebar held, move around, and Command and minus to zoom out, and that seems to do the job just as well. Okay, so that's the hand tool.